Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is two MDF boards and I found the center, drew circles, created grids. I'll explain the measurements a bit later. Now, I feel so blessed that I'm going to prepare these MDF boards with Dot Mandala and I'm going to hang it at a temple. So I feel extremely blessed to start with this project. Let's get started. In these two boards, in the center, in this board I have written Om, and in this place I have written Shri. Now this indicates Lord Ganesha and this indicates Lord Muruga. This is what I am going to do now. Now let me take this board and explain the measurements that I have made. This is a 12-inch MDF board. So the entire diameter is 30 centimeters. So obviously the radius is 15. I found the center, drew the first circle here. And this is the first circle that I drew, which is 5 centimeter radius. And here every 3 centimeters, this is 8, this is 11 and this is 14. So I repeat 5, 8, 11, 14. That's the radius. Now here I did not measure anything, but I just wanted to leave a little space, so I drew another circle here. Angles for the outside circles, angles are marked at every 20 degree. Like 0 and 180 falls here. This is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160. For the innermost circle, there are only 6 points that are marked, right? So I took this as 0 and 180 and then I marked the angles for 60 and 120. So that's how I did in this part of the circle too, and connected the dots. So I got perfectly sized triangles. This I just drew by hand. I do not have any stencils. I'll now fill this Om with gold. In all the intersection points of these triangles, I'm going to keep a dot in gold. Now I'll fill the triangular lines using golden dots, but tiny dots. Now I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll keep 2 side swipes in gold as well. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. However, I did the center portion in this mandala. I'm going to repeat it in this MDF too. I'll fill this Shri with gold now. Let me fill the pattern. I'm going to keep golden dots at the intersections. I'll fill the triangular lines with tiny golden dots now. Now I'll keep some golden dots. I'll keep some more golden dots now. I'll keep some golden yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in golden yellow now. I'll work the dots in gold now. Now I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep side swipes in yellow. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these yellow dots into swipes. I'll keep some golden dots again. I'll keep some more golden dots now. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll work the dots in orange. I'll work the dots in gold now. I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep two side swipes in orange. I'll keep some orange dots now. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep some more golden dots. I'll keep some crimson dots. I'll keep 2 side swipes in red. Now I'll work the dots in gold. I'll keep some crimson dots. Now I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in red. Now I'll keep some golden dots to finish this mandala. Now I'll keep smaller golden dots. I'm sure this twin mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.